Hello everybody and welcome to Keycam and the fam. Guys, today I'm making tacos. I have about a tablespoon of butter, unsalted butter, and I'm just putting my chicken breast in here. Pops is at work.
And this is what, the first Taco Tuesday from the new house.
First Taco Tuesday. And so since my husband is not here, I can make these tacos the way I want them. Let me wash my hands off.
You want to be spicy?
Nope.
Oh.
I'm putting onions in these tacos.
Oh, okay. Like onions and cilantro?
Like onions.
Oh.
I'm not putting cilantro because I actually don't have any here. So I got mine. But I have my chicken. And I'm just putting my onions in here. Normally, guys, Pops would be like, no, don't put no onions in there. But he's not here. And so, I can just have all the onions that I want.
You have to call him, right?
Why would you do that?
Don't get knocked out that chair cam.
Cam's a snitch.
I know he's a snitch.
Now let's fix up. Let's do straight.
Wow.
So, guys, I'm using my all-purpose adobo seasoning.
Okay.
Yes.
Like Goya.
Yes. By Goya. So we're gonna put this in here.
That was before
We're using our granulated garlic.
What's left of it?
Yeah, cause the
You
top
like this?
it actually move in here. The top cracked.
Oh.
And y'all know I'm not throwing it away.
No.
And I'm putting, guys, I'm putting my slap your kids. Slap your mama.
Yum yum.
This is another Cajun
Slap
seasoning,
your
guys.
It has herbs, spices.
It has everything. It
Crack.
smells, guys, it smells so good already.
Yeah, it does.
And then we can't make this without the what?
Ground.
The black pepper. You said what?
I need
Oh. And guess what?
What?
As my little nephew Jabari would say, and guess what? No. We gotta put the onions on here. Oops, that's a new. So we're gonna put our onion. We're gonna put our onion in here too. Did the top break on this too? No, I did not break on
So we got onions and onion powder.
onions and onion powder. And guess what? I'm not finished.
Oh, snap. You gonna put some mango juice in there?
No, no mango juice.
I'll try that. Y'all want me to cook some tacos?
No,
With some off the dome?
we got the original.
Boom.
Yeah. We got the original. And we're gonna put this in here too.
Oh my gosh.
Oh yeah.
These are going to be delicious.
Girl, yes. Yes. And so for T to say yes. Or Key would say
Yum, yum.
what the cam say?
Oh. You could also just insert some air horn noises.
Y'all, this smells so good. Oh my gosh, this smells so good. So we're gonna let this cook down and I'm gonna bring y'all back. Okay, so our meat has been cooking probably about 7 or 8 minutes. And as you can see, the chicken, it makes its own juice because chicken holds water. So we're gonna pour a little bit of water in here. And we're gonna let this cook down for probably about, I would say another 5 minutes, and I'll bring you guys back. Okay guys, so I'm back. Here is my chicken. to turn this off. And guys, here go the chicken. As you can see, all of that juice is now in that chicken. Look at that. Don't that look good? I should have put some red crushed peppers on it, but I'm not.
Do it.
I'm not.
The spicy Sunday now again.
No. So what I have over here, guys, is, can you come over here, camera lady? I have me some, these are the El Paso. These are the El Paso bowl nacho cheese. And I just put them in the oven for like 2 minutes.
Okay.
So I'm just gonna put a little meat on my tacos. Cause guys, we getting ready to do Taco Tuesday.
Taco Tuesday. Yeah.
Yes.
Taco Tuesday.
And if some of it waste out, that's okay. Cause you know what? They gonna eat it anyway.
Yeah, that's true.
So we put the meat inside the tacos. How many tacos are you gonna eat, Kim?
All of them.
Dang.
Mom let us taste it.
Oh yeah, the flavor is bomb. You see the difference that the onion make?
Yes.
He always talking about stop using all that onion.
That's how he sounds.
Yeah, that's how he sounds.
Well,
Everybody don't like onion.
it's amazing. Honestly, that flavor is something else.
Yes, it really is.
It's so flavorful.
Oh yeah.
So scrumptious. I'm really excited.
Okay, so that's enough meat for these tacos. And so guys, I'm gonna top back on here. And I'm getting ready to add some lettuce. I like, you know, the bag lettuce. You know, the bag lettuce. Put that over there. What I'm getting ready to do is I'm getting ready to add some lettuce on here. And some of it I slice, some of it I don't.
It's so colorful.
Yeah, I'm not using a tomato today. If you notice, every now and then I'll just switch it up a little bit.
That's why I get acid reflux now.
I know. So I'm getting ready to add my cheese. And if you waste some, it's okay. It's alright, it's alright. Oh, I'm sorry, I'm hearing St. Luther. And guys, I found these El Paso nachos from Aldi's. Aldi's is starting to be one of my little favorite stores. You picking that?
I like it too. As a matter of fact, they have these dark chocolate covered almonds. I'm gonna get sponsored by them.
So I have this big bottle of El Paso. I'm gonna actually get a spoon.
Yeah.
Cause I don't want to drizzle and you don't have to make it too much. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? A little spice.
It's a gallon of picante sauce.
Yeah. So I'm just gonna put a little bit. I probably should have poured some in a bowl. Because my other picante sauce, the smaller bottles, is at the other house. Okay. I told you I'm not playing. And we always put hot sauce on ours too. That's why the next time I make tacos, I'm probably gonna change it up again. I always try to change it up. Okay. Some probably need more than the other. Okay. This is the first time I ever let you guys see my setup.
Mm-hmm.
Move all that out the way. And this is what I always do.
Oh,
I rinse out my I always have my peppers rinsed out. So we just put the peppers along the side. I don't know if you all ever pay attention when we do the video, but sometimes what we'll do is, for the sake of recording, we'll just have our own little dipping spots. So y'all get a chance to see raw and uncut with Key Cam and the fam. So we're getting ready to take this over to the table and we're getting ready to mukbang this. Guys, thank you so much for watching and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!